Hello guys, andito ako ngayon sa labas kasama yung katrabaho ko. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo yung katrabaho ko. Yan po. Andito ako sa labas, may kukunin akong mirror. Dito na ako kanina kaso lang, dito hindi siya lumabas. Nahirapan akong hanapin yung bahay niya. So bumalik ako ngayon para kukunin ko yung mirror. Di para sa akin, para sa kaibigan ko. So tara, kasi nagmamadali ako. Bilis, bilis. Because I was like looking around and look for the number 5, but I...
Yeah, because you can drive in around the back that way. And
Okay.
this way.
Mirror.
Yeah, there's all the classes in up there.
Ah.
It's a bit out of the way.
Oh, there it is. Oh, thank you.
Okay,
Yeah. Thank you so much.
that's all right.
You have a good night. Is that lamp working?
It was. I don't know if it still is. No, I wouldn't have thought so.
Oh, okay.
Probably
Oh, you got chair. Is that like
camping chairs.
camping chair?
Yeah.
Right, I can get that for my friend.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to drive around then?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, drive around.
Yeah.
Please.
I'll just try.
Yeah.
Okay. Punta ako balik ako sa sakyan kasi madami-dami pala yung ibibigay sa akin. May ball, may tawag dito, may camping chair for my friend. Not only mirror. Nag-drive lang ako. Yeah.
Oh, it's inside.
Mm-hmm.
Nice lawn.
Nice what?
Lawn. It's green.
Yeah. Oh, do you want? Oh, shoot. Yeah.
Jigsaws. Connect 4.
Yeah.
There's a Monopoly and a word search and more puzzles. Puzzles and
Yeah.
Oh, it's Scrabble.
There's a lot of...
Scrabble. There are jigsaws.
You got Scrabbles there?
There's Connect 4. Hey, whatever you want. You want kids bike?
Oh, you want a kid's bike?
Yes, please. That's gonna be trouble. Yes, I want to take it.
Can't take it away.
Yeah.
Whatever you want. There's a child's car.
You want a child chair? How about that radiator of yours? It's like...
There's 2 more here as well. That can go. If you want. The heater's petrol. If you want, take it.
Is it working?
Yeah,
The heater?
The heater's there. There's 2 more. There's bigger ones there.
Oh wow. Wow.
Because the man is just going to come and take it all to the recycling tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Oh my. We got lots of stuff I got. So hello guys. As you can see, we've picked up a lot, and I've only expected one item, which is the mirror. But no, I've got plenty, and she got plenty as well. What did you get?
A lot of stuff.
What? Like what?
Puzzles.
Oh, the puzzles,
chairs,
chairs, kids chair, what
kids keyboard.
kids keyboard, and a lot of stuff. And I got the mirror from my friend, and what do you call this? A picnic chair, 2 picnic chairs, and a basketball. See, so unexpected. Actually, he still has some items left in there, but he told us that somebody will pick up tomorrow. So we kind of like leave the rest in there. So I think that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See that? Oh my gosh, my car's full of stuff. Oh no. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching and see you all on my next UK freebie hunting with Brew. Bye.